初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need a taxi, please.
I need a taxi, please.
我需要一辆出租车，谢谢。
I need a taxi, please.
I need a taxi, please.
Can you call me a cab?
Can you call me a cab?
你能帮我叫辆出租车吗？
Can you call me a cab?
Can you call me a cab?
Where is the taxi stand?
Where is the taxi stand?
出租车站在哪里？
Where is the taxi stand?
Where is the taxi stand?
I booked a car online.
I booked a car online.
我在网上订了一辆车。
I booked a car online.
I booked a car online.
My driver has not arrived.
My driver has not arrived.
我的司机还没到。
My driver has not arrived.
My driver has not arrived.
What is the car number?
What is the car number?
车牌号是多少？
What is the car number?
What is the car number?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
需要多久？
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
Please wait at the entrance.
Please wait at the entrance.
请在入口处等候。
Please wait at the entrance.
Please wait at the entrance.
The car is not here yet.
The car is not here yet.
车还没到。
The car is not here yet.
The car is not here yet.
Can I cancel my ride?
Can I cancel my ride?
我可以取消我的行程吗？
Can I cancel my ride?
Can I cancel my ride?
Please take me to the airport.
Please take me to the airport.
请带我去机场。
Please take me to the airport.
Please take me to the airport.
Can you drive me downtown?
Can you drive me downtown?
你能载我去市中心吗？
Can you drive me downtown?
Can you drive me downtown?
I need to go to this hotel.
I need to go to this hotel.
我需要去这家酒店。
I need to go to this hotel.
I need to go to this hotel.
Please stop at this address.
Please stop at this address.
请在这个地址停车。
Please stop at this address.
Please stop at this address.
Can you show me the route?
Can you show me the route?
你能给我看看路线吗？
Can you show me the route?
Can you show me the route?
Please drive a little faster.
Please drive a little faster.
请开快一点。
Please drive a little faster.
Please drive a little faster.
Can you slow down, please?
Can you slow down, please?
你能开慢一点吗？
Can you slow down, please?
Can you slow down, please?
Can we take a shortcut?
Can we take a shortcut?
我们可以抄近路吗？
Can we take a shortcut?
Can we take a shortcut?
Is this the right direction?
Is this the right direction?
这是正确的方向吗？
Is this the right direction?
Is this the right direction?
Please turn on the meter.
Please turn on the meter.
请打开计价器。
Please turn on the meter.
Please turn on the meter.
How long will the ride take?
How long will the ride take?
这趟行程需要多久？
How long will the ride take?
How long will the ride take?
Is the traffic heavy today?
Is the traffic heavy today?
今天交通拥堵吗？
Is the traffic heavy today?
Is the traffic heavy today?
Can you open the window?
Can you open the window?
你能打开窗户吗？
Can you open the window?
Can you open the window?
Please turn on the air conditioner.
Please turn on the air conditioner.
请打开空调。
Please turn on the air conditioner.
Please turn on the air conditioner.
Can you stop at a store?
Can you stop at a store?
你能在商店停一下吗？
Can you stop at a store?
Can you stop at a store?
Please wait here a moment.
Please wait here a moment.
请在这里稍等片刻。
Please wait here a moment.
Please wait here a moment.
Can I eat in the car?
Can I eat in the car?
我可以在车里吃东西吗？
Can I eat in the car?
Can I eat in the car?
Is it safe to stop here?
Is it safe to stop here?
在这里停车安全吗？
Is it safe to stop here?
Is it safe to stop here?
Please don't use this road.
Please don't use this road.
请不要走这条路。
Please don't use this road.
Please don't use this road.
Can you avoid the highway?
Can you avoid the highway?
你能避开高速公路吗？
Can you avoid the highway?
Can you avoid the highway?
Please stop here.
Please stop here.
请在这里停车。
Please stop here.
Please stop here.
This is my stop.
This is my stop.
我在这里下车。
This is my stop.
This is my stop.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
我可以用卡支付吗？
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Do you take cash only?
Do you take cash only?
你们只收现金吗？
Do you take cash only?
Do you take cash only?
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
请给我一张收据。
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
车费是多少？
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
Can you give me change?
Can you give me change?
你能给我找零吗？
Can you give me change?
Can you give me change?
The fare looks too high.
The fare looks too high.
车费看起来太高了。
The fare looks too high.
The fare looks too high.
Thank you for the ride.
Thank you for the ride.
谢谢你的载送。
Thank you for the ride.
Thank you for the ride.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
祝你今天愉快。
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。